Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we have some exciting news about one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year, the iPhone 16 series. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the launch. Apple is widely anticipated to unveil the iPhone 16 series in September 2024. This launch window aligns perfectly with their traditional release schedule, and it's something we've come to expect from the tech giant. Historically, Apple has favored early fall to introduce its latest innovations to the market. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and recall some of the most iconic September launches, from the iPhone 6 in 2014 to the iPhone 13 in 2021. While the tech community is buzzing with excitement and speculation about the iPhone 16's features and improvements, it's important to remember that these dates are based on patterns and industry rumors. We've seen countless leaks and predictions, but nothing beats the official word from Apple. So, as much as we're all eagerly counting down the days, it's always prudent to wait for Apple's official announcement. This ensures that all details are confirmed, and we get the most accurate information on the release timing and availability of the new iPhone models. In the meantime, let's talk about what we can expect from the iPhone 16 series. Rumors suggest major upgrades in camera technology, improved battery life, and perhaps even new design elements. But again, we'll have to wait for the official event to get all the juicy details. That's all we have for today, folks. Are you excited about the iPhone 16 series? What features are you hoping to see? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.